How to remove password from Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and type in command prompt. You'll find command prompt pop up. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply type in as shown on the screen, which is net space user and add your username. Then type in 2 commas at the top after adding space. Then press on enter. Make sure your username is same as your account name that is logged in with your PC. After you've done that, you can click on the close tab and restart your device. After you restart your device, the password will be removed. This is how to remove password from Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.